Okay. Hi, we would like to introduce our product, Health Dimension. And we're breaking into the presentation into 5 parts: business case, functions, tools, expansion, demo. And since the beginning of COVID-19, the demand of telehealth service and platform has been growing increasingly because it's simply safer and more effective for all parties to meet virtually instead of going in person. And what is Health Dimension? Unlike other telehealth platform that you can see online, where they allows you to choose physicians from across the world, our platform is a new patient relationship management tool for clinics and hospital to manage and connect with their existing patient on one single platform. Currently, we have video calls and 3D models during the video call so patients can be able to describe their conditions more efficiently, and they can also schedule visit online and view their historical visit timeline, and they can also chat with our virtual assistants. And most importantly, we are partially HIPAA compliant by providing authentication and secure cloud storage.
We built the website using Angular for the front end, and the back end was built mainly using Amplify. We used AppSync for the GraphQL endpoints, and the database was DynamoDB. Also, Google Calendar API was integrated to check for the availability of the doctors. We used Peer.js to create the web RTC content, that is basically the video call stuff, and then finally Dialogflow for the automated AI bot. We built a 3D model using Unity and deployed it using iframes. Yeah.
For future expansion, we are looking to allow patients to select more than one physicians in the whole clinic instead of just having one primary physician choice, so they can have more flexibility in the visiting schedule. At the same time, adding more information in the medical information part where they're able to see all the past recording and meeting reports, as well as some other medical information from their physicians. And then we're going to demo.
So we first go to the login page. We can sign up from this page. We can to sign up, we use our first name, our last name, our email address. Then we have a username. We use a password and we confirm our password. The username is what we'll use later to log back in. We get a confirmation code as well for this. For the calendar, we can add our description for each field whenever we click a date. This will be a pop-up in our profile, so which can be viewed there. Another one, for example, I'll use another date with this date, time slot, and I'm gonna add another description, add it, and then when we go back to our profile, you can view it again here. So this is all updated. This is supposed to be updated on our Google Calendar, but currently we don't have that feature. However, we do have the get feature API call, which does give us all the updates if a field is already used. So this is where we can reset our password. We can view our profile information. We use our old password to change the password, and then we can add a new password after that to confirm it. And then we'll be able to use the new password again when we log back in the next time.
Okay, so next we move on to the video calling feature. So the patient can actually video call with the doctor. So as you can see here, there are two different video cams available. The patient can tell the doctor what problem he's facing. The doctor can interact with the client, and then the patient can actually show like where his body hurts. So we have created a 3D model using Unity, and we have uploaded it on a different web server, and we have just added it into our website. So as you can see, the patient can actually rotate the model. He can select whether it's a male or female body he wants, and once he clicks on a particular part, that part gets highlighted. The color scheme is shown on the left. So yellow is low pain, orange is medium pain, red is very high pain. So so these are just the options. How do you reset it? You can do it on the same on the mail model, and that's pretty much it. And since we actually had less time, so this is an open source model which we found, and it doesn't have like individual parts separately. So the patient right now, the only feature the patient can show is like yeah, major body parts like head, torso, feet, and legs. But we plan to add like specific three body elements like chest or palm or back, that will be adding in the future video, future session.
Thank you. Also to showcase our calendar, as you can see, like some of these time slots are not available. They're actually here where it's filled up. It's just to demonstrate that the API calls are being made and we have the logic behind our application where the slots are only shown when they're available. So like you can see, it's here. We have put in the function which are shown again of being able to view whichever description that we had added, just to showcase again. Like I'll just put in another one. You put that in, go back again to the profile, and then you can see it again, and they're listed newest to old, so you can see it this way.